Manufacturing education agenda. Investing in manufacturing education is not an easy thing because the frugality at the time set a high significance on it. Anyway, it is not the solitary choice that Negroes owned and should not have been recognized as such. Booker's position gets together with his past practices as said earlier. Manufacturing education performed a very essential role in his existence. It was during this shape of teaching that he received his chance for prosperity, so it is comprehensible why he supported manufacturing education so strongly. Had it not been for his prosperity in his manufacturing education agenda, Booker would not have been offered the chance to elaborate at Tuskegee and thus ultimately catapult himself as a notable Negro commander. Dubois, anyway, supposed that an entire concentration on manufacturing education would be harmful to the progress of the pen and ultimately censured forced to criticize Booker's position. Dubois supposed that a concentration on higher teaching was the best manner Negroes could accomplish social parity, and an obscurity of this shape of teaching would hinder cultured thought and thus would render as a catalyst for shaping the pen into subservient beings. He also opposed that Booker's proposal of stopping from political force, resistance on civil rights, and higher teaching of the Negro youth would also impose Negroes into obedient functions. Because Booker's public figure was so accommodating and he combated discrimination behind the views, he was bitterly criticized by Negro Northern thinkers. His most constant pundit was the Massachusetts-born sociologist W.E.B. Du Bois, who successfully completed an academic degree from Fisk University and also got a PhD from Harvard University. However, in November 1915, Booker started to experience the symptoms of dangerous kidney problem and elevated blood pressure.